What's up, guys? Just to show you, I had a bit of fuel leakage from here. Well, a bit of smoke leakage from here and some oil. So I used some of this silver exhaust wrap that my mate left round there one time. So yeah, it blocked it up on my new exhaust. Well, newish. I had to drill a hole in the chassis here to stick the pipe on, because it wouldn't fit through these holes. When it went through these holes, it touched the suspension too much and it was rubber. So yeah, I just drilled a hole, and it sits alright now, guys. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have a running video soon of the 30 D&T outside my house, since I'm having trouble getting down the street at the moment because of my mobility issues. So yeah, anyway guys, like and subscribe.